आज रॉड लेके घुसे हो आप।
नहीं नहीं, वो तो सभी घुसे थे, मतलब वो पूरा दिन शूट हुआ और रात के 11-12 बज गए थे, लेकिन सुबह से चल रहा था, कोई हटने कोई नाम नहीं ले रहा था। सब कह रहे थे यार और करना है यार, हमारा कुछ और करें क्या। सबको इतना मजा आ रहा था शूट करते समय कि 12 बज गए पता ही नहीं चला। तो इस तरह की एक एनर्जी थी, वो बहुत मजेदार।
Right, Shobita, how was it for you?
This song,
Yes.
I mean, it's so different from the usual, the kind of song and the kind of dancing we did that day. ऐसा नहीं था कि अच्छा this is the choreography, dance and be cool. It was insane. It was crazy. So it was fun.
Right.
Yeah.
आपके लिए how was it the experience?
मेरे लिए बहुत एक्साइटिंग था बिकॉज इसमें म्यूजिक पीस नहीं था जिसको प्रॉपर कहते हैं ना कंपोज करके आप करो वट एवर यू वॉन्ट यू कैन डू इट लाइक ऑन स्टेज लाइक ऐसा था स्पेशली आई लाइक द माई मूवमेंट बट प्रॉपर एडिट नहीं किया गया वो टक 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 ये वाला लाइक दिस आई लव दैट वन
Wow, yeah, that was superb. Yeah.
Thank you.
I think everybody should just do that. एकदम यहाँ पे आपके साथ-साथ. Saif, how was it for you? हांडना कहते हैं, मतलब ऐसे जो सड़कों पे घुमा जाता है, गाड़ी चला रहे होते हैं, हरियाणा में, गुड़गांव में, तो हांडना कहते हैं उसे. So how was it? Have you ever done this? ऐसा निकल गए कहीं, हरियाणा में कुछ घूमते फिरते गुंडागर्दी कुछ करते हुए?
नहीं, गुंडागर्दी नहीं.
कभी मौका नहीं मिला.
हरियाणा में नाक कट जाएगी हमारी, काफी इज्जत है वहाँ पे. Patodi is in Haryana, you know that.
Yes, I know that. That's why I asked you that
So
question.
no gundagardi there. I think
तो वहाँ बड़ा शरीफ.
driving a tractor is about as wild as we can get. So no, listen, this song is a great song. Yeah, thank you. It was difficult because when we do a film, we need music also to promote it, to make it exciting. That's when these guys come in and they mix these amazing. It's such an interesting thing you said about Bombay and Pune and the mixing of frequencies, and to add that to somebody who's having a kind of a mental thing in the movie as well is very interesting. That's great. So Akshat, I remember talking to him about music. We said, leave it to some young people. And he looked at me and he said, Saif, young people don't always know what they're doing, Sometimes when you're my age, you understand things better. So I was really happy when I heard that because, yeah, but, he says he's got great taste in music also and he's worked with you. And this song was great. It I think captures the spirit. But most of these songs are background music songs, There's no, we all want our film to be as popular as possible, but this film doesn't really have any lip sync kind of performance songs. That's why we all liked it. It's a little alternate in its way, in some ways, but I wouldn't want to call it that. I'll just call it a really interesting story that reflects Mumbai people for what they are. It speaks the language that is actually spoken in life, and it has some really interesting drama and situations and a whole bunch of characters. Normally you wouldn't have sort of me being me and Shobita being herself and Nari being himself and Deepak, and Vijay Raj, who apparently never promotes films, so I don't know if I'm allowed to take his name. So in one movie, otherwise one would be the item, no, in somebody else's film. But our city is like this. Hello. Hi. Welcome. No.
Welcome.
So our city is a mix of all these things, and I think the film captures that really, really well. Akshat obviously loves Bombay, Mumbai, and we had a blast doing it. So good luck to us all.
We were just talking about the song and the swag. इस गाने का जो swag है, please tell us about your experience also while shooting this song.
बहुत मज़ा आया. बहुत सारी लिरिक्स याद करनी थी गाने के लिए जो सिर्फ दीपक करके आया था. हम में से किसी को नहीं आती थी. एंड आदिल सर, हमें लगा सिर्फ लड़का गा रहा है तो हमें शायद इतने अच्छे से नहीं करना है, तो हमें कूल बनना है. बट उन्होंने कहा नहीं आपको भी गाना है. सो ऐसे ओके, तो हम फटाफट याद कर रहे थे, पर बहुत मज़ा आया. आदिल has
Hang on, sorry.
हाँ.
What is the last line of the song?
मैं स्वैग, व्हाट इज इट? दीपक आपको ही पता होगी. मैं था
हमारी नहीं हमारी तेज गति में ना रुकू कदी, मैंने मोटर फिट करा रखी.
No, what's the last line?
लास्ट लाइन गाना लगाओ.
बीट पाड़ दूंगा तेरी.
What?
बीट फाड़ दूंगा तेरी. व्हाट इज इट?
बीट पाड़ दूंगा तेरी.
बीट फाड़ने की बात हो रही है. And that nitro kit फिट करा रखी भाई, वो बड़ा जोरदार है. So yeah, one more question. Who's that one person जिसमें लगता है nitro kit फिट की हुई है, मतलब पूरा फिल्मिंग के दौरान? Actually, I think you should be answering that question.
आपको बताइए.
Like always,
Out of actors or production?
No, we are talking about the
There's a couple
actors.
of nitro heads in
Just the
production for
actors.
sure.
Yes, the actors, all of them.
Deepak.
Really?
Deepak, yeah.
नाइट्रो किट फिट करा रखी भाई आपने हैं? अभी यहाँ पे देखो एक काम करते हैं. आई नो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जिनके जवाब चाहेंगे इन सबसे. लेकिन कैन वी हैव द सॉन्ग एक बार थोड़ा.
ये गाना हो
He was in Greedy Jalai.
तो
Yeah.
अपने इस गानों के सफर को कैसे देखते हैं आप फ्रॉम ओले ओले
Well, I mean, I think it's the same as films. nahi? I think films have also changed. We used to do so many musical movies. You'd even have audio heroes, perhaps like myself, yeah, who were like, had good music and it could carry a film. People would like the music of a film and then it would probably take a big opening if the songs were a hit. They'd release on TV first. There'd be a lot of excitement around that kind of thing. But as we've grown or changed, you're singing less and less songs unless you're doing a very massy kind of movie. I don't know if that's a good thing, yeah. I think in the outskirts of India, in the little rural areas, and in cabs and in, people still listen to Hindi music a lot and sung Hindi music. And I think part of a hero's charm is to sing songs. And I don't know whether we've lost something in our culture when we lost that. But we have lost that, I think, generally.
नहीं आपका गाना टाइगर जिंदा में भी है ओले ओले
Is it?
थोड़ा सा
Oh, great. I didn't know that.
सो इसलिए मैं जानना चाह रहा था कि
Is
गानों
someone dancing to it?
नो सलमान कुछ बना रहे हैं सो ही इज जस्ट
Singing it?
नो नॉट सिंगिंग
It's a code word.
हाँ
Okay, great.
So, दूसरा सवाल ये कि जब गानों के लिए प्रिपेयर होना पड़ता है क्योंकि एक्टिंग और जब आप कोरियोग्राफी में
I
जाते
mean,
हैं
sorry, there's some great songs from that time, right? I mean, even I was listening to the soundtrack from Gupt on a drive just now when I was on holiday. The lovely music. Yeah.
सो यू मिस 90s का म्यूजिक
I mean, I don't miss it because you can listen to it.
No, in
it's
this
there.
time.
Everything is there. Everything. Embarrassing, good, cool. It's all there on the net, man.
सो कोरियोग्राफी के दौरान क्या आपका होता है लाइक जब गानों की पे डांस करने की बात आती है
I mean, I can only think of Saroj Khan. There were so many choreographers. It was an art form, yeah? It was a communication. It was an art form. It was stylized. Not me. I mean, you had to look at the masters of it, like Madhuri Dixit, Sri Devi, the way they performed, did songs. It was another time.
दीपक एंड सुविधा आपसे भी यही सवाल है कि गानों के लिए आप किस तरीके से खुद को प्रिपेयर करते हैं जब डांस करना होता है
नहीं गाने का जैसे ये गाना है जो समीर भाई ने इतना बढ़िया किया तो इसमें तो अपने आप ही आप नाचने लगते हो. इसके लिए तो ये है कि हमें खुला छोड़ दो. उसके बाद जब वो आते हैं तो पता चला स्टेप्स भी अच्छे थे तो वो भी तैयारी की तो आपको थकान नहीं होती है, आपको मतलब उलझन नहीं रहती, आप इन्वॉल्वमेंट में घुस जाते हो, है ना. तो वो ये गाना है. तो ये ऐसा गाना है कि जब शुरुआत में रिहर्सल के दौरान हमें 4-5 दिन के लिए मिला था तो ये सुबह से लेकर रात तक यही बजता रहता था और कोई बोर नहीं होता था. मतलब वाह ये चले जा रहा है जो भी है. तो
Maybe like Shami Kapoor's time, Just make up your own steps.
बहुत एनर्जी है इस गाने में और बहुत फन है, मज़ा है, उमंग है, सब मतलब उमंग में आ जाते हैं इस गाने को सुनते.
यार मुझे रिहर्सल पे तो नहीं बुलाया, पता नहीं क्यों. एक ही दिन तो आई थी.
सबसे ज्यादा रिहर्सल यही करनी थी. मुझे लिरिक्स याद थे क्योंकि मैं उसी जाट बेल्ट से बिलोंग करता हूँ पूरे दिल्ली हरियाणा में, तो मैंने जल्दी से याद कर ली तो ये सारे मेरे पास बैठे रहते थे.
It was like tuition class.
वही
This is the first song I've ever danced or first song of any this thing I've done. That was an interesting experience, and also it was not a like the average Bollywood song that you grew up watching. It's a different experience. You feel more. It's more fun. It was like a mela. हम बस खेल रहे थे. It was fun. Yeah.
Hi, Saif. Saif here. Preksha here from India Forums. Preksha.
From Forbes.
India Forums. India Forums. Yeah. So we were talking about 90s music, and you said that there were some numbers which were embarrassing as well.
Yes.
So do you remember any song that you
Yes, yes, I
featured
do.
in and you
There was a
felt
song I did-
embarrassing?
No, you don't need a mic. Do you need a mic? Okay, there was some song I did which was called the Rat Song. I was playing a dance choreographer and actually dressed as the dance choreographer. A young guy dressed as this slightly fatter, older guy. And I'm teaching her various songs in, you know, that film city near Kamalistan outside. No, is it Kamalistan? Anyway, whatever. Hot. It was as hell. And I had this fake beard. And part of the song was, you know, it was called the Rat Song. And Mera chua tumko katega was part of the lyrics. And I think I had to pull it out of my trousers. So it's great, you know, it wasn't my idea. We all live in the same place, you know. So this is just the things that used to happen. Maybe there was a demand for it. Maybe one of your elders, you know, would have loved that song. Yeah, so we've all been part of the same. We've all struggled against that. So that was a slightly embarrassing moment. I was very worried that Chua should not bite me inside my trousers, because that would have been very upsetting.
Also,
Risky.
in the... Huh?
Risky.
Okay. So in the trailer, we can see that so you're living your last days and you're asked to do whatever makes you happy.
Yes.
So in real life, what all things make you happy the most?
In real life, what makes me happy the most?
Yeah.
The company of friends, family, good music, a nice book, a nice drink, a good weather, a nice view, a good holiday. Very simple things like this. Money. Simple. Yeah, simple. Swimming
Hi, Saif.
and answering your questions gives me a lot of joy.
Thank you so much.
हाय सैफ, भावना फ्रॉम जी। सैफ, स्वैग पुरका चौधरी। सो यूजुअली गानों में हमने अभी तक पंजाबी गानों में बहुत स्वैग देखा था। दिस इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट देन व्हाट वी हैव सीन टिल नाउ। पर्सनल लाइफ में आप लोगों का कौन सा ऐसा स्वैग है जो आप लोग फ्लॉन्ट करते हैं या पसंद करते हैं फ्लॉन्ट करना?
I'm not much of a flaunter. Yeah. I don't know about that. I didn't even know what the song meant. It took me a long time to understand Swagpur. I thought Ashi had to explain it to me. So, yeah. So I was like, what is, yeah, it was cool. I don't know, please ask, start with Shobita. Look, she's quite
Shobita.
stylish. Personally, no. You know that, right? I mean, I don't have a hat or something, do I?
Everyone is thinking no, he wants to answer. No?
Please, somebody else answer. What is your swag?
आपका कोई स्टाइल किसी और को पसंद आता हो?
क्या बोलते हैं कि nice shoes or something? Thank you very much. Huh? Nice socks. क्या बोलते हैं?
So you flaunt your socks also?
Yeah, but I'm wearing boring socks today. I like socks. Pink socks sometimes. Need guts to wear pink socks.
After that successful question, we'll just take two more
But
questions.
my character wears like grey socks with little red dots on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our stylist.
Yeah. Ji.
Saif,
Aisha, where are you? What's your view on socks? See?
sock swag. Saif, may I ask one more question? Okay, so celebrities अगर कोई misleading advertisement करते हैं तो उन्हें शायद ऐड करने से बैन कर दिया जाएगा। ये रूल आने वाला है। एज अ सेलिब्रिटी आप इसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? प्लस आप कितना कॉन्शियसली अपने ब्रांड्स पिक करते हैं एंडोर्स करने के लिए?
See, there's two kinds. There's some people who will be very careful what they do. There's some people who will do pretty much anything for money. So you have to decide what kind of celebrity you are. If you feel strongly, you won't do this. But I mean, we're just reflections of the brands. Our whole world is controlled by brands. Unless you're very careful and aware of what's happening. From your average TV show to almost anything you do is brand controlled. And they've got the stars nicely roped in, doing all kinds of ads, which is great because, you know, everyone's happy. And if it's misleading, I think it's the company's problem not to make the ad. No? There'll always be actors available. Some will say, no, I don't like this because it's unhealthy. Someone else will do it. If it's for sale, legally, someone will advertise it if you pay them enough.
राइट पर अगर कोई मिसलीडिंग ऐड है और उसके लिए आपको किसी प्रॉब्लम में आप फंस जाएंगे तो आप कॉन्शियसली कितना एफर्ट लेते हैं टू पिक योर ब्रांड्स
I mean, I don't know. I went through these things. Somebody, when I was doing chips, somebody said chips are unhealthy. But I said, yeah, but if you eat one packet every now and then, it's not unhealthy. But if you live on them, it is unhealthy. So, I mean, you have to decide, right? You can't be, I don't know. I think people should make up their own minds. That's what you have mothers for, to tell you that this is right and wrong. You shouldn't listen to artists too much. Just watch them act.
Cool, Abir.
Saif,
Thank you
one
so much.
last question.
Yeah.
Saif, here, towards your...
Embarrassed that they're only asking me these questions. Why can't you ask Ashi or Deepak?
एड्स का मैं तो करते ही नहीं ठीक है दूसरा अगर करूँगा तो वो जो मैं यूज़ करता हूँ बस और कुछ नहीं वरना तो ऐसा एक सीसीटीवी बनाना चाहिए हर स्टार का संडे को जो जो आपने ऐड किए थे वो सब खाओगे ये वाला ये सब चीज़ें हैं वही मंजन होगा वही चूरन होगा वही चीज़ें वही ड्रिंक पियोगे इसके उसी गाड़ी में जाओगे जिसका आपने प्रमोशन किया था और किसी में नहीं या तो ये महीने में एक बार होना चाहिए तब वो सब मेरी तरह ऐड छोड़ देंगे ठीक है तो
Saif, here, 2017 comes to an end. If you could tell us, like this year we've seen a lot of things happening for you on personal and professional front. Chef had released, though it did not do well, but a lot of people appreciated the movie. You're busy with the promotions of your next movie. Web series was announced. You celebrated Taimur's first birthday. Anything that you can talk about the entire year, how 2017 was for you personally and professionally?
I tell you, I don't know. I mean, there were lots of, wasn't particularly great professionally, but it was a very interesting experience professionally. I think I learned a lot about acting. I worked with some wonderful people, like all these actors here have taught me something new. I think I'm a changed actor to what I was when I was doing certainly Phantom and when I started Chef. After doing Kalagandhi and going on to some of the work I've done this year, I think I managed to keep abreast and move also with the current style, which I think is the greatest thing I could have achieved, you know. I've had my head down quietly as much as possible, and I've done about 5 movies, I think. And I'm really looking forward to what happens because I've been lucky. Some good directors have cast me, and I've got to work with some amazing people. And this is offering #1 coming your way, this movie here. And I hope you love it. It's been a good year as far as I'm concerned.
Thank you so much. It's time for a photo